Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have a haul today. So yeah, I want to get this done so I can break down the boxes and put it away, and then we've got to make some strawberry jam. I've also started bagging up seeds, so when I get all of the seeds harvested, I still have some things growing out there, I will let you all know. And if you want some of these seeds, I'll let you know what I have, and you can ask for some and I will send them to you. Also having a cookbook giveaway, and I will show you that at the end of the video. And yeah, let's get started. And if you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a comer backer, please comment and like, because that's the only way to get these videos out there. And I work really hard trying to keep this content going. So anyways, we've got a 5-pound container of pink Himalayan salt. We have 1 pound 14.65 ounce of Maxwell house coffee. That was $8 and I think like 61 cents on Amazon Subscribe and Save. This was $3.48, I believe. Never tried it, but thought I would. It's instant coffee. Oh, Mitzi's trying to play. I thought something was wrong. I got some dye to spruce up some tops that I have. It's really hard to find dye for your clothes now. It's kind of, if there's nothing wrong with them other than maybe a stain or something, you can dye them and bring them back to life, or if they're dingy, whatever. I got this. It's new, at least new to me, the Hormel Chili Hot No Beans. So I've been trying to buy a few cans of these here and there just to add some flavor. I do can my own chili as well. We got some sliced carrots. These are from Target, and I think they were under $1. I don't remember how much they cost. I got 3 cans of sliced black olives for our pizzas, and I got these on Amazon Subscribe and Save, and they always are kind of willy-nilly whether they're going to have them or not. I got this from Target. It's salsa verde. I like to use that in recipes. I got 2 packages of freeze-dried roast beef. I was going to share this deal with you all, but as I read the email, it said not to do that. These were 20% off, and they were for people who have purchased previously. I think if you did buy them just off the website, you had to pay full price. But I wanted to tell you all about it, but the email said you cannot do that. So I got 2 packages of the roast beef. I got 1 can of sliced new potatoes. The Del Monte are more expensive, but what isn't these days? I got 1 can of Campbell's Chili Mac. And then I got 1 can of the Del Monte diced new potatoes. I got some pizza mac and cheese flavored seasoning blend. Just thought I'd try it, see what this is about, and it came with a little measuring scoop, and that's just to add to my seasonings. I got some sweet and salty kettle corn, and this can be used to season popcorn as well. That's mostly what I got it for. I got, this was from Walmart, Badia ham flavored seasoning, you'll want something like that if you don't have ham or whatever for your beans and things like that. I got Old El Paso dinner kit enchiladas. I didn't even know this was a thing. I don't know if this is new or what, but it comes with 6 flour tortillas, enchilada sauce, and seasoning mix. So we will see how that is. So that will go in my rotating pantry for winter. I got some of these pizza crusts because they're shelf stable, to replace 3 that I used when we had pizza last weekend. Not this one, but the one before. I got the country pasta, egg pasta. The big bags are hard to find at Sam's now, so I found this bag, and I like to use these when I can my own chicken noodle soup. Yes, that is a Rebel recipe, but it works fine if you have the right noodle. There's a difference between not recommended and unsafe. I got a can of Dinty Moore beef stew. I also can my own. This is getting very expensive. I got the bacon flavored Spam. These are still like $3.57 or something at Walmart. I think they're a few cents more at Target. I got 2 containers of the Equate antiseptic mouthwash at Walmart. This is still fairly cheap. I found my molasses cookies, so I got a bag of those. I kind of only eat those around the fall-y time of year, Christmas. I got some tarragon leaves because I'm almost out, and this is my secret ingredient in my chicken or turkey noodle soups. I don't know if this was in my last video or not, but I'm almost out of crushed red pepper, so I got that. And I got a 5-pound container of popcorn. There are going to be popcorn shortages, so if you can find some on sale and you like popcorn, I'd get it. You can also grind it into cornmeal. I got 2 bottles of the Blue Plate mayonnaise. The Duke's is getting hard to find and really expensive. Blue Plate's not bad. It's kind of like the best foods that I grew up on in California. I got 8 cans of the Bumblebee solid white albacore tuna. And the reason I always say that the reason I don't give a lot of prices is because the prices change almost daily, it seems like, or what I paid for it by the time I've got it, the price has changed if you go look for it. And each store is different. Even if it's the same store, the prices seem to be a bit different. I got 2 of these motion sensor battery operated lights. You can put them on your ceiling. You can put them anywhere you want, but I got them for the ceiling. I got 2 of these just in case there are going to be some issues this winter with power. I don't know about you guys, but I got a bill, and with my gas bill I got a note. We already paid almost $40 a month for 0 gas usage. The only gas we use is for our heat. They've added $10.04 to our bill for no gas usage at all. So now, until we do use our heater, we are paying about $50 a month just to have a gas line, essentially, just to have a gas bill sent to our house, pretty much. So I don't even want to know what's going to happen with the actual usage bill on top of the 50. So I'm already going to be paying 50 plus whatever gas we use. So a little miffed about that. I'm sure everybody's not happy about utility bills and what's going on with those these days. I got a 4-pack of beef-maroni. And then I got this 12-pack of Spam. It was on sale a while back on Amazon, and it took about 3 months to get it. So it wouldn't matter if I gave you the price of this right now. It's no longer being sold at that price, and it took a long time to get here. I got a bag of Diatomaceous Earth. You can use this in various things. You want to get the food grade. Some people line their buckets with it. I got it to use in the garden. It kills bugs and things like that. There are a lot of uses for Diatomaceous Earth. You can use it with your chickens or whatever. I got a battery operated fan just to add to my emergency stuff that you may need if there are power outages. And then I did some Christmas shopping on Woot. I got the Skull Candy Smoking Buds 2 wireless for $5. I got these Skull Candy earbuds. These are the wireless, whatever, kind of like the Apple ones. Also for $5. And then for $49, I got my nephew a gaming headset. This is normally $199. It's the Skull Candy base, wireless with microphone, all the things. So I have pretty much taken care of all of my Christmas shopping, other than making some jam and things like that for my mom. So yeah, that's the haul for today. I'm going to put all this away, break down my boxes, take a shower, and then move on to some canning projects. So I hope you all are doing well. You stay safe. You stay healthy. My voice needs a break, I guess. And I will see you all in the next video.